Hi everyone. Today, I've got a super fun combo to share with you. Let's get started. First, I'm going to take an old fan blade and clean it up really well. Next up is a light bulb. I'll drill a few holes in the outer shell, just big enough to mount a brushed DC motor. To power the motor, we're going to solder it in series with the light bulb. After soldering, just put the outer casing back on like it was before. Now I'm going to make the base. I'm using PVC pipes, cutting and connecting them to build an adjustable structure that can raise or lower the height. Connect the wires from the light socket and mount it onto the stand. For the wire running from the socket to the power source, make sure to hide it inside the PVC pipe. It'll look much cleaner and nicer that way. Secure the stand onto a wooden board to balance the weight. This helps the setup work more stably and safely. Finally, we'll assemble all the parts together to complete the final product. And now, let's check out the results. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed it, give me a like and subscribe to support the channel. And don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments. Like, subscribe video. Thank you for watching.